Frying an egg in the air fryer can be an absolute pain in the ass. I've tried it hundreds of times and I find most of the time I'll go, egg looks perfect, I'll go over to pull the egg out, I put my spatula underneath and bang, it's splattered everywhere. That's the end of that egg. Today we're going to see if there's a way that we can improve on that and make it worth your while to actually fry an egg in the air fryer, or if you should just keep going back with your trusty pan. So you're going to need a little pan like this one. Basically, I got this one off Amazon. It was dirt cheap. It came in a pack with a whole heap of other air fry stuff. Some kind of grease, butter, cooking spray, olive oil, whatever you think is going to be the best to stop it. All right, to start off, I'm going to go wild with the butter and see what I can do to make this as non-sticky as possible. Just when you think that I've hit it with enough, I'm also going to spray some cooking spray on it as well. Let's see if we can get this one not to f up. Now, we're going to quickly preheat the air fryer for about a minute at whatever heat you want. 180 degrees is what I'm doing it at. Alright, we've got a preheated air fryer. I've got myself an egg. Going to go ahead and crack it in. Ah, f***. There goes one egg, already sacrificed. Kaya! Kaya, egg! Alright, attempt number 2. Crack an egg in. Oh, you're f***ing kidding. There you go, here's another. Alright, now I'm going to get another egg. I only have 3 left, so this could be a non-existent video if all things go sideways. Alright, finally got one after 3. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pop her in the air fryer. Watch out, she's quite warm from the preheat. We're gonna go 5 minutes. We go 165 and check it in 5 minutes time. Fingers crossed. Okay, so that's finished. I got my spatula and I got some tongs to pull that out. Let's hope she's all set. Okay, we might be onto something here. Oh, she is pretty stuck. Just on the outsides. Let's see if we can jimmy her free without breaking her. Oh God, I just touched it with my hand. Now that's actually unusual. I can't believe that actually worked first time. I think it has something to do with the amount of grease that I hit it with. Still need to see how runny it is, so let's go ahead and chop into it. She's actually quite good. So I'm actually a little bit surprised we managed to get it first go. It's runny, it's completely cooked through, it's perfect. I think the secret's just to go nuts with the spray. Absolutely spray it, butter it, do whatever you can to make it not stick to the bottom of the pan and not sacrifice an egg. That's really good. To be 100% honest, I might start doing it in the pan now. Yeah, that was super easy. All right, thanks for watching.